Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll be showing you how to turn your flashlight on or off on your Android device. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, on your phone, just go to the top. Now swipe down, okay, until you find the quick settings. Now, if you can't see a flashlight right here, again, swipe down once more until you find a ton of options, okay? If you can't still see flashlight in here, just swipe down, okay? And here we have flashlight. Okay, so what you'll do is just tap on flashlight, and now it's turned on. Tap on it once more to turn it off, okay? Another fun feature right here, if you have it on your phone, when you tap on flashlight, okay, swipe down, tap and hold on the flashlight, and you will have the brightness control, okay? You can use the slider if you want it more bright, just hit it to maximum, okay? You could also use one of your AIs from your phone. I have here installed my, I think, Gemini, okay? As you can see, yeah, Gemini. As you can see here, when I press and hold onto the turn off button or the power button of my device, okay, Gemini should pop up. Now, let's go ahead and ask Gemini right here to, okay, tap on the speak button. Now, can you turn on my flashlight? Now it's turned on. All right. Please turn it off. All right. And there you have it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.